Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Nilou Bloom team effectively. Nilou's unique passive ability is the cornerstone of this powerful team composition. When your party consists solely of Hydro and Dendro characters, she transforms standard Dendro cores into special bountiful cores. These bountiful cores explode almost instantly upon creation, dealing significantly more damage in a larger area, making them incredibly efficient for clearing groups of enemies. Building an effective Nilou Bloom team typically involves a 2 Hydro and 2 Dendro character setup. For your Hydro slots, characters like Kokomi provide healing and consistent Hydro application, while Yelan and Xingqiu offer off-field damage and Hydro. On the Dendro side, Nahida is a top-tier choice for her immense Dendro application and elemental mastery buffs. The Dendro Traveler and Kale are also excellent free-to-play friendly options that provide reliable Dendro application. Executing your combat rotation efficiently is key to maximizing Bloom damage. Start by applying Hydro to enemies with your Hydro characters to set up the initial aura. Immediately follow up with your Dendro characters to trigger the Bloom reaction, generating those powerful bountiful cores. The goal is to maintain continuous Hydro and Dendro application, ensuring a steady stream of exploding cores. Remember, more cores mean more damage, so focus on consistent elemental uptime. For Nilou herself, your primary focus should be maximizing her HP. Aim for HP % on your Sands, Goblet, and Circlet artifact main stats. Reaching 74,446 HP will cap out her A4 passive, significantly boosting bountiful core damage. For your other Hydro and Dendro characters, prioritize elemental mastery on their main stats to amplify core damage, alongside sufficient energy recharge to ensure their bursts are always available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.